Hi. To start with the recipe, first, let's prepare our beef by mixing the 250 g of stew meat with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of flour in a bowl. Make sure each piece is well coated. You'll know it's ready when there's no visible raw flour and each piece has an even coating. Now, we'll brown our seasoned beef in the air fryer oven at 375 F for 5 to 7 minutes. Spread the pieces evenly and don't overcrowd them. You want each piece to have its own space. You'll know they're perfectly browned when they develop a rich, golden brown crust on the outside. By the way, since many of you ask about this air fryer that I use after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Let's move on to our vegetables. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil and sauté 1/2 diced yellow onion, 1 diced carrot, and 2 diced potatoes for 3 minutes. The vegetables should be slightly softened but not fully cooked. You'll notice the onions becoming translucent, which is your signal they're ready. Time to add flavor. Add your garlic, 1/4 cup of tomato paste, and 2 cups of water to the pan. The tomato paste might seem thick at first, but don't worry, it'll thin out as you stir it into the water, creating a rich base for our stew. Now comes an important step. Return the brown beef to the pan and bring everything to a boil. You'll know you've reached the right point when you see steady bubbles rising to the surface. This step helps all those wonderful flavors start coming together. Here's where we get cozy. Transfer your stew to a roasting bowl and cover it tightly with foil. Make sure the foil is sealed well around the edges. We want to keep all that moisture and flavor locked inside while it cooks. Let's get this stew nice and tender. Place the covered bowl in your air fryer oven at 230 F for 1 hour. You'll know it's done when the meat is fork tender. It should practically fall apart when you touch it with your fork. Finally, sprinkle 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme over your finished stew and serve it while it's warm. The aroma of the thyme will bloom in the heat, adding that final touch of herb-wide goodness. Your stew should have a rich, deep color and a hearty consistency that's perfect for a cozy meal. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.